In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the reversible door for the model 6661-30S. Unplug the unit. Remove the plastic covers at the top of the unit. Remove the plastic cover covering the upper hinge. Remove the upper hinge cover. Remove the 3 screws holding the upper hinge of the door frame. Lift the door and remove it from the lower hinge. Remove the screws holding the lower hinge. Remove the plastic covers and the screw of the position of the new hinge mount. Remove the peg from the original hinge and place it on the new hinge mount. Place back the washer on the peg. Place back the hinge mount with the 2 spacers in position. Screw back the hinge mount. Place back the screw and the plastic covers on the old position of the hinge mount. Rotate the door 180 degrees and place it back on the peg of the lower hinge. Make sure the door is properly leveled and in closed position before screwing back the top hinge. Screw back the top hinge. Place the hinge cover. Screw the hinge cover. Place the plastic cover. This completes the installation.